Mastering Ishikawa Diagrams. Leaders must own Ishikawa diagrams to crush problems at their roots. Who is responsible for creating an Ishikawa diagram, and how do they utilize it in operational excellence initiatives to identify and address the root causes of problems? In the pursuit of operational excellence, organizations often employ various tools and methodologies to identify and address the root causes of problems that hinder their efficiency and effectiveness. One such tool is the Ishikawa diagram, also known as the fishbone diagram or cause and effect diagram. The Ishikawa diagram is a powerful visualization technique that helps teams to systematically identify, organize, and analyze the various factors that contribute to a problem, ultimately enabling them to develop targeted solutions to address the root causes of those problems. The creation of an Ishikawa diagram typically involves a cross-functional team of stakeholders who have a deep understanding of the problem and the processes involved. This team may include subject matter experts, process owners, operators, and quality assurance personnel, among others. The team should be led by a facilitator who is experienced in the use of the Ishikawa diagram methodology and has a neutral perspective on the problem at hand. The process of creating an Ishikawa diagram begins with a clear definition of the problem statement, which should be specific, measurable, and relevant to the operational excellence initiative. The problem statement serves as the focal point for the entire analysis and solution development process. Once the problem statement is defined, the team can begin brainstorming to identify the various factors that may be contributing to the problem. The Ishikawa diagram is structured around 6 categories, which are typically represented by the bones of the fish, namely 1. Man, people. This category includes factors related to human resources, such as training, skills, and experience. 2. Machine, equipment. This category includes factors related to the equipment, machinery, and technology used in the process. 3. Material, raw materials and supplies. This category includes factors related to the inputs and materials used in the process. 4. Method, procedures, and processes. This category includes factors related to the steps and procedures involved in the process. 5. Measurement, data, and feedback. This category includes factors related to the data collection, monitoring, and feedback mechanisms used in the process. 6. Mother Nature, environment. This category includes factors related to the external environment, such as weather, market trends, and regulatory changes. The team should brainstorm and list as many potential factors as possible under each category, without worrying about their relevance or importance at this stage. The goal is to generate a comprehensive list of potential causes that may be contributing to the problem. Once the list of potential causes is generated, the team should evaluate and categorize each factor based on its relevance and potential impact on the problem. This can be done using tools such as Pareto analysis or voting to prioritize the factors. The team should then select the top-ranked factors and organize them into a logical sequence, using arrows to connect the factors and show their relationships. The resulting Ishikawa diagram provides a visual representation of the complex relationships between the various factors that contribute to the problem. It enables the team to identify patterns, correlations, and areas of focus for further investigation and analysis. By analyzing the diagram, the team can identify the root causes of the problem, which may be single or multiple, and develop targeted solutions to address them. In operational excellence initiatives, the Ishikawa diagram is a valuable tool for identifying and addressing the root causes of problems. By using this methodology, organizations can identify and prioritize the key factors that contribute to problems, develop targeted solutions that address the root causes of problems, implement process improvements that reduce waste, variability, and defects, enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty, improve operational efficiency and productivity, reduce costs and improve profitability. Overall, The Ishikawa diagram is a powerful tool that enables organizations to systematically identify and address the root causes of problems, ultimately driving operational excellence and achieving sustained business success. As I delved into the world of operational excellence, I found myself drawn to the humble Ishikawa diagram, a simple yet powerful tool for identifying and addressing the root causes of problems. My journey began with a nagging sense that something was amiss in a manufacturing plant I was working with. Defects were piling up, and the usual suspects, machine malfunctions, material flaws, and human error, didn't seem to be the primary culprits. I gathered a team of stakeholders, including production supervisors, quality control specialists, and engineers, to help me get to the bottom of the issue. We decided to create an Ishikawa diagram, also known as a fishbone diagram or cause and effect diagram, to visualize the problem and identify potential causes. The process began with defining the problem statement, excessive defect rate in manufactured components. We then brainstormed potential causes, categorized into 6 areas: equipment, materials, people, environment, management, and measurements. The team's diverse perspectives and expertise allowed us to generate a comprehensive list of potential causes. As we mapped these causes onto the Ishikawa diagram, patterns began to emerge. We noticed that several team members had mentioned issues with the training program for new production line operators. This led us to explore the possibility that inadequate training was contributing to the high defect rate. To drill deeper, we scheduled a series of interviews with operators and training personnel. These conversations revealed that the training program had been hurriedly implemented to meet production demands, without adequate resources or support. Furthermore, the program did not account for the complexities of the new manufacturing process. The Ishikawa diagram had helped us identify a critical root cause: the inadequate training program. We refocused our efforts on revamping the program, providing more comprehensive training and ongoing support for operators. Within a few weeks, defect rates began to decline, and production efficiency improved. Throughout this process, I was struck by the power of diverse perspectives and active listening. By creating a safe space for stakeholders to share their insights and concerns, we were able to uncover a root cause that might have otherwise remained hidden. The Ishikawa diagram became a valuable tool for facilitating collaboration and driving meaningful change. As I worked with the team to implement the revised training program, I realized that operational excellence is not just about identifying and fixing problems, but about creating a culture of continuous improvement. The Ishikawa diagram had helped us take the first step towards this goal, by fostering a deeper understanding of our processes and our people. In the end, our efforts led to a significant reduction in defect rates and a marked increase in production efficiency. But more importantly, we had created a culture that encouraged collaboration, open communication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Operational excellence is a journey, not a destination. It requires a willingness to listen, to learn, and to adapt. The Ishikawa diagram is a powerful tool for facilitating this journey, but it is only as effective as the people and processes that bring it to life.